In this video, I'll show you how to use Lovable AI to build an app. First, sign into your Lovable account and click Create New Project. Next, describe the app you want to build. Be as specific as possible about the features, pages, and functionality you need. For example, you can type, create a booking app for a fitness studio with user registration, appointment scheduling, and a customer dashboard. After that, submit the prompt and wait for Lovable AI to generate the initial version of your app. Now, review the app that Lovable creates. Test the pages, navigation, forms, and other features to make sure everything is working as expected. Next, continue chatting with Lovable to improve the app. You can ask it to add new features, change the design, create databases, add authentication, or connect third-party services. After that, follow the instructions Lovable provides whenever additional setup is required. If the app needs services like authentication, payments, or a database, Lovable will guide you through the connection process. Now, keep refining the app by testing and requesting changes until it matches your requirements. Next, preview the app and perform a final review to make sure all features work correctly. Finally, click Publish and follow the deployment steps to make your app live and accessible to users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Lovable AI to build an app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.